In an era where technology advances at breathtaking speed, one question looms large. Will artificial intelligence replace humans? This is not just a hypothetical debate, but a critical examination of our future. Artificial intelligence has become ubiquitous, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants. It's transforming industries and reshaping economies. But can machines truly replicate human creativity and emotion? To understand AI's potential, we must first explore its origins. From simple algorithms to complex neural networks, each step marks a leap forward in machine intelligence and capabilities. AI's evolution is driven by vast amounts of data and powerful computing resources. Today, machines can learn, adapt, and even create content autonomously, raising questions about their role in society. Despite rapid advancements, AI lacks the nuanced understanding and empathy inherent in human interactions. These qualities remain uniquely human, highlighting a potential boundary for machine capabilities. As AI systems improve, they begin to outperform humans in specialized tasks like image recognition and language translation. However, the complexity of human life extends far beyond these narrow domains. In healthcare, AI assists doctors with diagnoses and treatment plans, yet it cannot replace the doctor-patient relationship built on trust and personal connection, which remains vital for patient care. While AI excels in data analysis and repetitive tasks, creative endeavors like art and music often require intuition and originality, areas where human creativity shines. This exploration of AI's capabilities and limitations aims to provide clarity on its role in our lives. Can AI replace humans? The answer may lie somewhere between optimism and caution as we navigate this technological revolution. Artificial intelligence operates through complex algorithms designed by humans, Dishu, Dawa, Yasind, Day. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data much faster than any human could, but they lack intuition and creativity. AI has transformed industries like healthcare, where it assists in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatments. However, it cannot replace the empathy and judgment of a human doctor. In manufacturing, robots perform repetitive tasks efficiently, reducing errors and increasing productivity. Yet, they require continuous human oversight and programming updates. AI excels in financial markets by predicting trends and managing portfolios. Still, it lacks emotional intelligence and ethical considerations crucial for decision-making. Automated customer service uses AI to handle queries efficiently. However, it struggles with understanding context and emotions, often leading to unsatisfactory resolutions. AI's ability to learn from patterns makes it invaluable in cybersecurity, detecting anomalies and threats before they escalate. Yet, it needs human analysts to interpret these findings. In agriculture, AI optimizes crop yields through precise irrigation and fertilization, but it relies on human farmers to make final decisions based on local conditions. While AI can compose music and create art, it lacks the originality and intent that comes from human experiences and emotions. AI's role in transportation is expanding with self-driving cars, which rely heavily on real-time data processing. Nonetheless, they need human intervention in unpredictable situations. In education, AI personalizes learning experiences by adapting to students' pace and style. However, it cannot replace the mentorship and guidance provided by human teachers. AI's impact on job markets is significant, automating routine tasks and creating new roles. It does not eliminate jobs, but transforms them, requiring continuous learning and adaptation. AI can predict natural disasters and assist in emergency responses. Nevertheless, it requires human coordination and leadership to manage crisis situations effectively. Despite its strengths in data processing, AI still faces challenges in understanding human language nuances, sarcasm, and humor, which are critical for many human interactions. AI's future lies in collaboration with humans, enhancing our abilities rather than replacing us. Its potential for good is immense when guided by ethical principles and human oversight. As AI evolves, it will continue to change how we live and work, opening new opportunities and challenges. The key is to develop it responsibly, ensuring it serves humanity's best interests. The integration of AI into daily life brings convenience and efficiency, but it also raises concerns about privacy and security. Balancing these benefits with risks is crucial. AI's ability to process and analyze vast datasets is transforming scientific research, accelerating discoveries in fields like medicine and climate science. Despite its advanced capabilities, AI remains a tool created by humans. Its limitations reflect those of its creators, emphasizing the need for ongoing development and ethical consideration. AI's influence on society extends beyond technology, shaping economic and social structures. Understanding its impacts helps prepare for a future where humans and machines coexist. The future of AI depends on global cooperation and regulation. Ensuring that its development aligns with human values and ethics is essential for a sustainable and equitable future. AI's potential to solve complex problems such as climate change and pandemics is immense. Human collaboration with AI can lead to groundbreaking innovations and solutions. The ethical use of AI involves transparency, accountability, and fairness. Developing robust frameworks to guide AI's application ensures it benefits all members of society. As AI continues to evolve, so do the skills required to manage and maintain it. Lifelong learning and adaptability will be vital for individuals and societies to thrive alongside AI. Ultimately, AI's role in society is not one of replacement, but enhancement. By leveraging its strengths while addressing its limitations, we can build a future where AI complements human capabilities. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data quickly can improve medical diagnostics. By analyzing patient records and symptoms, AI algorithms can predict diseases early, enhancing treatment outcomes and saving lives. In manufacturing, AI optimizes production lines by predicting maintenance needs and reducing downtime. This leads to cost savings and improved efficiency, but requires skilled human oversight to manage complex systems. Artificial intelligence also revolutionizes transportation through autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars reduce accidents and traffic congestion, but depend on continuous human monitoring for safety and compliance. Despite AI's advancements, creativity remains uniquely human. Art, literature, and music require emotional depth and originality that current AI lacks. Human artists continue to inspire and innovate in ways machines cannot. While AI excels in data processing and complex calculations, human intuition and empathy remain unparalleled. These qualities shape our relationships and communities, making us irreplaceable. AI can analyze vast datasets and predict outcomes, but it lacks the emotional depth needed for genuine human connection. This gap ensures humans will always have a unique role. Human innovation and adaptability have driven progress throughout history. AI is a tool in our hands, amplifying our capabilities without replacing our essence. The future isn't about AI versus humans, it's about collaboration. By integrating AI into our lives, we enhance productivity and solve complex global challenges together. Embracing AI means harnessing its power for good, from healthcare to education. It's up to us to ensure this technology benefits society while preserving human values. As we move forward, we must prioritize ethical guidelines in AI development. Ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness is crucial for a harmonious coexistence. We stand at a pivotal moment where the decisions we make today will shape tomorrow. Let's embrace AI as an ally, not an adversary. and build a better future together. By combining human creativity and AI's analytical power, we can achieve breakthroughs in science, medicine, and beyond. This synergy holds the key to unlocking our collective potential. Let us commit to fostering a world where technology complements human strengths. Together, we can navigate the challenges ahead and create a future brimming with possibilities. In conclusion, while AI is transforming industries and societies, it cannot replicate the essence of humanity. Our unique combination of emotion, ethics, and creativity secures our indispensable role. So let's embrace the future with optimism and responsibility. As we integrate AI into our lives, let us do so in ways that honor our shared humanity and drive positive change.